right, you guys, so let's get this closure laid. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and how I make it work. All right, so keep watching. Real quick, you guys, I wanted to mention how I will be using the Ghost Bond for the second time around. And let's see how she holds up this time. So just keep watching, guys. So as I'm applying the glue, I'm really trying not to use too much of it. And I'm just going to spread that out and make sure it evenly just spreads. And yeah, you guys, I'm just going to be doing 2 layers for now because I do not expect to really have this installed that long. So yeah, I think 2 layers would do just fine. So okay, on to the second layer. And like I said, you do not want to use too much glue. And for some reason, it looks like I used too much of it myself. But at this point, all I'm gonna do is just spread it out as evenly as I could, and we're gonna make it work and make sure I'm just gonna make sure I let it dry all the way. It'll be fine. Okay, you guys, right about now, can I just mention how good that looks right there? It really came out really good. I'm really proud of myself. But yeah, you guys, let me know what y'all think. Really. But just keep watching. As y'all know, this install is not over. Okay, as you can see, there's a little lift there, but that is okay because I could just easily use the comb and, as you can see, just grab a little bit of glue and add it on there, just dab it on there and hold it down and it would be just fine. Won't even notice. Look at that. Flawless. So right here, you guys, I decided to do a little plucking just because, you know, just for my liking. I just felt like it needed a little plucking in that area. But I'm going to just smack a little bit of this mousse on these edges. I didn't do much, as you guys could see. I just really cut a little bit. I'm not that big on the baby hairs. And I really actually just really suck at the baby hairs. I don't know. But yeah, it is what it is. But this is it, you guys. The 4x4 is installed and she is set. On to the next step. Okay, you guys, so now that the 4x4 is out the way and installed, now let's get ready to glue on these tracks. So, yeah, just keep watching. This is the second part of this whole process. So yeah, you guys, just keep watching. It's almost over. I really would like to take this moment also and apologize for the silence, you guys. I don't have any music, and at this point, I don't have much to say because I'm pretty sure you guys see what's going on. It's very self explanatory, and I'm pretty sure you guys get the drift. I'm just gluing on these tracks, and I am really trying to forward this video as much as I can for you guys, just so I don't have you guys sitting here watching the same process over and over again. So, yeah, just keep watching, you guys. It's almost over. So, okay, you guys, real quick, because my phone died, and I actually got to go put it right back on the charger. But let me show you guys where I'm at. This is where I'm at. I'm almost done. And really full, real full. And yeah, so I will come back with the end result, you guys. Keep watching, and hope y'all are enjoying the video. Thank you. Okay, you guys, so almost done. And the reason I say almost, I got my last track that I want to throw on around the closure to seal it off. Okay, you guys, I hit the last track. I am done, and here it is, nice and full. And yeah, you guys, she's all in. I'm just gonna spritz some water and loosen her up a little bit before I take, my band off, so you guys could see. Here it is, you guys, and bam, there it is, you guys. What y'all think? As y'all can see from my face, I am happy with the end results and how it's laid. I think I did a pretty good job. You guys let me know how I did. I'm just gonna spritz some water. This water just pretty much has a conditioner in it. I did add a little bit of oil just to give my hair some shine. But besides that, it's really just water and conditioner. And I'm just gonna spritz her up. I didn't do much. I'll probably style her and trim her down and maybe give me some layers later on. But for now, I'm just gonna spritz her with some water. You guys, let me know how you guys feel about these baby hairs. I'm really not feeling them at all, and they really bothered me. But for now, I'm gonna have to work with what it is. But you guys let me know. Yeah, let me know how I can fix that, because I'm not happy with those baby hairs. And I'm just fixing my part here, you guys, making sure that, it really doesn't matter. This 4x4 is very versatile. So, my part, it really doesn't matter to me. But I'm glad she just looks nice and laid. And, I'm just going to be playing with it for now. Playing with it for a while. Looking at it and messing with it. Like right here, I feel like I should do a little plucking between the part. Just a little bit. I'm not going to do much. Just to give it a more natural look. But as you guys can see, I'm almost done, you guys. Almost done. I'm pretty much done. It's over. It's over. This is what it is. And yeah, you guys. Y'all let me know what you guys think. So, okay, you guys. This is it. the end results. I am finally done. And yeah, what do you guys think? You guys let me know if I pulled it off. Yay or nay? This is the 4x4. If y'all want to know about this hair, hit me up. Okay, because I got this hair for y'all, this 4x4. And soon, you guys, on my website, once I launch